Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. So today I am going to share with you best Forex trading strategy. But first we open gold pair in M15 time frame. Now this strategy is very easy and simple. Market high volatile zone area to draw some support and resistance level. Here is resistance zone, now draw resistance level. And the market retesting this resistance level again, then we place sell trade. Now here is indicator sell signal confirmation. We place sell trade here. Set stop loss previous high point candle. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. Here is support zone, now draw support level. And the market retesting this support level again, then we place buy trade here. Now here is indicator buy signal confirmation. We place buy trade here. Set stop loss previous candle low point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.